Hi, this is Anil. Today we are going to learn about the new chapter, that is Principles of Metallurgy. Before we are going to learn what are the different phenomena which are there in the chapter Principles of Metallurgy, let us try to understand what is metallurgy. Metallurgy means the process of extraction of metal from its ore. The process of extraction of the metal from its ore is called as a metallurgy. That means what are the different steps are there to extract the metal that can be learned with the help of metallurgy. In order to extract a metal, we need the source. So there are two important sources are there for extraction of the metal. Metals are majorly extracted either from the earth crust or from the seawater. Of course, majority of the metals are there in the earth crust. Few metals are there in the seawater. For example, if you take the metals like iron, aluminium, gold, silver, all these are available under the earth crust. Whereas the metals like sodium, potassium, etc. are present in the seawater. Now, let us try to understand what is ore. Before going to learn what is ore, we must know about an important term called mineral. Now let us try to understand what is mineral. The element or compound of metal which occur in nature or earth crust is called a mineral. That means metal is generally available in the earth crust. They are available either in the form of compound or they are available in a free state. That place or that compound from which the metal can be extracted is called as a mineral. Now let us try to understand about ore. Ore can be defined as the mineral from which metal can be extracted without economical loss is called as a ore. I repeat, the mineral from which metal can be extracted without economical loss is called as a ore. That means in case of mineral, different metals will be present. Whereas in case of ore, only the certain metal will be present in the higher proportion, so that we can extract that metal very easily. And very important thing is we have to extract that metal without loss. Now let us try to understand the concept of ore with the help of an example. When you take aluminium, aluminium's chief ore is a bauxite. Why we are calling bauxite as the ore of aluminium? Because in bauxite, aluminium is present in the form of aluminium oxide, where this aluminium is present up to 50 to 70%. That means a major part of bauxite consists of aluminium. That's why all ores are minerals, but all minerals need not be ores, because from the mineral, all ores are the part of minerals, but from where the metal can be extracted profitably, that mineral only called as a ore. So all ores are minerals, but all minerals need not be ores. In order to extract a metal from its ore, we must know the reactivity of the metal. So scientists tried to classify various metals based on their reactivity. Based on their reactivity, metals are classified into three categories. They are highly reactive, moderately reactive, and less reactive. If you know the reactivity of the metals, we can apply suitable methods to extract the metal from the ore. Examples of highly reactive metals are sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. These highly reactive metals are available in the earth crust, either in the form of chlorides or in the form of carbonates. They may be available in the seawater also. So if you take the example of sodium, sodium is available in the seawater in the form of sodium chloride. Also, sodium is available in the form of sodium carbonate. If you take the example of magnesium, magnesium is available in the form of magnesium chloride as well as in the form of magnesium carbonate. Now let us try to understand about moderately reactive metals. Examples of moderately reactive metals are iron, copper, etc. These moderately reactive metals are available in the nature either in the form of oxides or in the form of sulfides. If you take the example of iron, iron is available in the form of iron oxide, Fe2O3, or iron is available in the form of iron sulfide, Fe2S. If you take the example of copper, copper is available in the form of copper oxide or copper sulfide, etc. Then what about less reactive? Examples of less reactive metals are gold, silver, platinum, etc. As they are less reactive, they are available in the free state. That means they does not combine with any other elements, or they are available in their native state, or they are available in the uncombined state. That means they are ready to extract. That means from earth crust itself you can extract just by applying 2 to 3 simple methods. So metals are broadly classified into 3 categories: highly reactive, moderately reactive, and less reactive. Now in order to extract a metal from its ore, there are 3 different steps are there to be followed. Let us try to understand what are the 3 steps to extract a metal from its ore. Concentration or dressing of ore. Next one is extraction of crude metal. Third one is purification or refining of the metal. Now let us try to understand about concentration or dressing of ore. In concentration or dressing of ore, majority of the unwanted rocky portion, that means the materials like sand, rocks, different unwanted particles, or the impurities like sand, rock, all are removed by using different methods. These rocky portion or the particles like sand or rocky portion is called as a gangue. So what is gangue? The rocky portion of the ore, the dust particles or sand particles which are present in the ore are called as a gangue. By using this concentration or dressing, this rocky portion, that is that gangue, can be removed very easily. So in order to remove that gangue, what steps are to be followed? So there are different methods are there in order to remove the gangue from the ore. That depends on the nature of the impurities as well as that depends on the nature of the metal. Let us say there are three different methods are there. Let us see one by one. First one is hand picking. Second one is washing. Third one is froth flotation. Let us try to understand one by one. First one is hand picking. Depending on the size of the impurities as well as the size of the metal or different color characteristics of the metal as well as the impurities, those can be easily hand picked with the help of hand picking. So by hand picking, different size particles as well as different colored particles can be separated. Next, let us try to understand about washing. In order to do this process of washing, first the ore is finely powdered and this is taken on a slopy surface like this. From the top, we are going to send the slow stream of water. Slow stream of water is passed from the top on the slopy surface where we are placing the fine particles of the ore. When we send this slow stream of water, all the dust, rocky particles are flown away and we are going to get the purest form of the ore. Next, very important one, that is froth flotation. In the next video, we are going to discuss about this froth flotation. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.